Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel Data Box. So today I will show you how to see your Facebook friends upcoming birthdays, and here I show the steps by using my Facebook mobile application. At same time, if you use Facebook in desktop, same way you can follow the same step, and this is very simple method. So let's go to our tutorial. So first of all, open your Facebook mobile application. So now in this homepage section, in top of right side, it has the one search tool icon. So just press on it. So and then search birthdays. So and in followed by, it shows some search results, but don't select any one of them. So only search birthdays. So and then hit to enter. So and it shows my Facebook friend's name. So now you can press see all option. So finally I get to my all Facebook friends birthday list, and it shows today, recent birthdays, and in followed by it has the upcoming birthdays list. So it has the birthday list from January to end of the year. So anyway, overall I complete my tutorial. So for more tech videos you can subscribe my beautiful tech channel Data Box, and thanks for watching.